Ito na ba ang polgom na hinahanap niyo? Ako si Diatricia, kaya tatapusin ang polgom na to.
Ito na dito lang. Ako si ayoko na.
Di ba yung hinahanap niyo? Hindi rin sa Livio, pagod na po.
Ako si John Paul Igo. Tara, gawin natin ang polgom.
Ano nga ba ang Senate?
Senate. The Senate is composed of 24 senators elected at large. Senator is elected and must be natural-born citizen, able to read and write, a registered voter, and at least 35 years old. The Senate of the Philippines is the upper chamber of the Congress of the Philippines. The country's legislature exists to create and promote a national perspective on national policy in order to build a prosperous, secure, honest, and democratic nation.
Ano nga ba ang president?
President. The president is the head of state and government in a presidential system. Like that of the Philippines, in this system, the president serves as the highest ranking official and has executive powers to lead the country. Responsibilities include enforcing laws, managing the executive branch of government, representing the nation both domestically and internationally, and serving as the commander-in-chief of the armed forces. In the Philippines, the president is elected by people and serve a single 6-year term without re-election. No person may be elected president unless he or she is a natural-born citizen of the Philippines, a registered voter, able to read and write, at least 40 years of age on the day of the election, resident of the Philippines for at least 10 years immediately preceding such election.
Ano nga ba ang RA 3553? Republic Act 3553 or Anti-Pana Law. The law prohibits any person from possessing a deadly arrow or pana without a permit from a city, municipal, or municipal district mayor. Violators of this provision shall be punished with imprisonment for a period of not less than 30 days or more than 6 months.
Ano nga ba ang judiciary?
Judiciary. The judiciary is one of the three branches of the government in the Philippines, responsible for interpreting and applying the law to resolve legal disputes. Composed of various courts, including the Supreme Court, Court of Appeals, and lower courts. The judiciary plays a crucial role in upholding the rule of law and ensuring justice for all. Its main functions include interpreting the constitutions and law, settling disputes between individuals and entities, ensuring the protection of rights and freedoms, and checking the legality of actions taken by the executive and legislative branches. Through fair and impartial education, the judiciary promotes accountability, maintains order, and safeguards the rights of citizens, thereby contributing to the stability and integrity of the legal system.
So next, ano nga ba ang legislative?
Legislative. The legislative branch in the Philippines is primarily embodied by the Congress, which consists of two chambers, the Senate and the House of Representatives. The legislative branch is responsible for making laws, overseeing and budget the representing the interests of the people. Congress members elected by the public propose, debate, and pass bills address various issues affecting the country. They also have the authority to conduct investigation and inquiries, approve the national budget, and exercise oversight over the executive branch through the legislative process. Congress shapes public policy response to the needs of people, and provides a system of check and balance to ensure accountability and transparency in governance.
Ano nga ba ang Supreme Court? The Supreme Court is the highest judicial body in a country's legal system, tasked with interpreting and applying the law, ensuring its consistency with the Constitution, and settling disputes of national importance. It serves as a final arbiter of legal cases, resolving conflicts between lower courts, interpreting law passed by legislative branch, and safeguarding individual rights and liberties. The Supreme Court typically hears cases that involve significant legal questions, constitutional matters, or conflicts between states or branches of government. Its decisions set legal precedents that guide future interpretation of the law and have far-reaching implications for society.
Ano nga ba ang Sandigan Bayan? Sandigan Bayan. The Sandigan Bayan is a high court in the Philippines established to decide cases of graft and corruption within the government. It consists of a president and 14 magistrates. The Sandigan Bayan's jurisdiction is focuses on cases involving government officials and government employees, including former officials who committed crimes while still in service. Graft cases involve fraud, theft, or abuse of power by a government official. As a court specialized in graft and corruption cases, the Sandigan Bayan plays an important role in maintaining integrity and trust in government. Apart from deciding cases, it also plays an important role in enforcing the law and strengthening policies to fight corruption in the country. The existence of an institution like the Sandigan Bayan shows the government's dedication to accountability and the maintenance of justice.
Ano nga ba ang Vice President, Bongbong?
Vice President. The Vice President is the second highest official in the Philippine government after the President. The role of the Vice President is to assist the President in their duties and to take over if the President is unable to fulfill their duties. In the Philippines, the Vice President also serves as the head of the Housing and Urban Development Coordinating Council, which oversees housing and urban development programs. Additionally, the Vice President often takes on special assignments or leads initiatives to address specific national issues. Overall, the Vice President supports the President and plays a significant role in governance and national development.
Ano nga ba ang branches of government?
Branches of government. The branches of government are the executive, legislative, and judicial branches. The executive branch, led by the President, is responsible for enforcing law and managing the day-to-day affairs of the government. This includes implementing policies, overseeing government agencies, and, and representing the country in international affairs. The legislative branch, composed of Congress and responsible for making laws, it consists of two chambers, the Senate and the House of Representatives. Members of Congress propose, debate, and vote on bills that can become laws. The judicial branch, headed by the Supreme Court, interprets and applies the law. It resolves disputes, ensures that laws are consistent with the Constitution, and safeguards individual rights and liberties. Each branch has specific powers and functions, creating a system of checks and balance to prevent any one branch of becoming too powerful.
Ano nga ba ang Sharia Court? Sharia Court. The Sharia Court in the Philippines is a special court that applies Islamic law, known as Sharia, to resolve legal issues involving Muslims. It has jurisdiction over matters such as marriage, divorce, inheritance, and other personal affairs governed by Islamic law. The Sharia Court ensures that these matters are handled according to Islamic principles and traditions, providing a legal framework for the Muslim community in the Philippines. It plays a crucial role in upholding religious rights and cultural practices for Filipino Muslims, ensuring that their legal matters are addressed in accordance with their beliefs.
Ano nga ba ang DPWH? The DPWH or Department of Public Works and Highways is a major government agency in the Philippines that has major responsibility for the planning, implementation, and maintenance of infrastructure. It is made up of professional engineers, architects, and other staff who are capable of building and beautifying public buildings, roads, bridges, and other facilities that are important to the nation's development. Through the project operated by the DPWH is aimed to strengthen the country's infrastructure, improve the quality of life of the citizens, and provide economic opportunities.
Ano nga ba ang the Chief Justice?
The Chief Justice. The Chief Justice in the Philippines is the head of the judicial branch and the highest-ranking official of the Supreme Court. Their main responsibility is to lead and manage the Supreme Court, ensuring that it functions effectively and efficiently. The Chief Justice presides over the sessions of the Supreme Court, guiding discussions and decisions on legal cases. They also represent the judiciary in various official capacities and oversee the administration of the entire judicial system. Additionally, the Chief Justice plays a crucial role in upholding the rule of law, protecting individual rights, and maintaining the independence of the judiciary.
Ano nga ba ang barangay?
Barangay. In the Philippines, a barangay is the smallest administrative division, often referred to as a village or neighborhood. Barangay play a vital role in local governance and community development. Each barangay has its own set of elected officials, including a barangay captain or chairman, councilor, and other appointed officer. These officials are responsible for managing the affairs of barangay, such as maintaining place and order, delivering basic services like healthcare and education, and implementing local policies and regulations. Barangay officials also act as mediators in resolving disputes and addressing the needs of cons- constituents overall. Barangays serve as grassroots level of government representing the interests and welfare of their respective communities.
Ano nga ba ang DepEd?
The Department of Education in the Philippines is the government agency responsible for overseeing the country's educational system. DepEd's main mission is to ensure access to quality education for all Filipinos, from early childhood to secondary level. It develops and implements educational policies, programs, and curriculum standards to promote student learning and development. DepEd also manages the recruitment, training, and professional development of teachers and school personnel. Additionally, the department is in charge of building and maintaining school facilities, providing learning materials, and monitoring the quality of education across the country. Overall, DepEd plays a crucial role in shaping the future of Filipino students and the nation's development.
Ano ba ang DOH? DOH or the Department of Health in the Philippines is a major government agency that promotes and protects the health of citizens. Its functions are not only limited to the promotion of health programs, but also to the implementation of laws and regulations related to the public health. One of the main responsibilities of the DOH is to identify and monitor major health issues such as diseases, epidemics, and other public health problems. Through their program and projects, the DOH aims to maintain and promote the health of the citizens. Moreover, the DOH plays an important role in providing health services through public hospitals, clinics, and other facilities. They are also the leaders in responding to health crises such as natural disasters, epidemics, and other emergency situations. Overall, the DOH has played a major role in strengthening the country's health system, improving the quality of life of citizens, and responding to health needs and challenges.
What is DNR?
DENR. The Department of Environment and Natural Resources, or DENR, in the Philippines is the government agency responsible for protecting and managing the country's environmental and natural resources. DENR's primary role is to formulate and implement policies and programs aimed at conserving and sustaining the country's biodiversity, forests, wildlife, and ecosystem. It oversees the enforcement of environmental laws and regulations, such as those related to pollution control, waste management, and land use planning. DENR also plays a key role in promoting sustainable development by balancing economic growth with environmental conservation. The department is involved in various activities including reforestation, biodiversity conservation, coastal and marine resource management, and environmental education and awareness campaigns. Overall, DENR is tasked with safeguarding the Philippines' natural heritage for the benefit of present and future generations.
Do ba 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 do boo do a boo ba do ba do boo boo ba do a do ba do ba do a do ba do ba do 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 a do ba do ba do a do ba do ba do ba do ba do a do ba do ba do a do ba do ba do ba do a do ba do ba do